Hi everyone, this is Shelly from The Beauty Pier. Do you have gel brushes? Let me show you how to break them in and maintain them. Breaking in your brush. We have a brand new brush right here. Let's remove its tab. We're going to gently touch the bristles. Remove the glue. Grab a lint-free wipe. Soak it with a little alcohol. Gently touch your brush. Make it nice and moist. Make sure you take all that residue off. Dab it in a little bit of our one step. Use a palette to do a couple of strokes, and when you see it's nice and soft, there your brush is ready to use. To clean or preserve your brushes, you'll need to do two things. First, have a moist, lint-free wipe with alcohol. My brush has already been used. I am going to twist it inside the lint-free wipe, remove the excess. I'm removing as much as I can without fluffing up my brush, that will damage it. Now I grab some One Step. I'm placing on my palette and gently stroking my brush to remove the rest of the excess that stayed trapped inside the bristles of my brush. And now you can put it back in the package. You want to make sure you put them back in its original carrying case, always closing them and keeping them away from the light. And that's how you take care of your brushes.